Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. I'm Emmanuel Arce, the Ultimate Gardener. My goal is to help you guys grow in the garden industry and to become an Ultimate Gardener. As you guys can see, I have a few plants that the planting tree company sent out for me to trial this year and also to review and showcase their products and what they have to offer for you guys. So if you want to know a few plants they sent out, how to grow them, what's their zone, and all the details on them, please stay tuned with us. So guys, the Planting Tree Company is an amazing company, you guys. They provide multiple different varieties of plants out there for you guys, and I highly recommend them. Their website is filled of information on the plants, the zones, the grow height, everything on that you could find on their website. And they also carry a lot of branded plants, just like one we have here, which is Encore Azalea, and another one which is the Endless Summer Hydrangeas. Both amazing brands, and they carry them, which is really exciting. So they offer great information towards their plants. They also provide a little like diagram of the United States and the zone areas and where they could be grown in, and I really appreciate that because it sort of gives you an idea where you are located and where the plants could actually grow in. So I really cheer them on for putting that in there because I really appreciate it. So a few plants that they sent out is the Morgan Chinese Arborvitae, the Autumn Chiffon Azalea, and the BloomStruck Hydrangea. Three amazing plants, you guys, and their flowering is so beautiful. The Encore Azalea is an amazing flowering, you guys, as well as the BloomStruck. And the Morgan Chinese Arborvitae is so soft and delicate, but also such a huge structure in your garden. So let's go ahead and get into detail on every single plant they sent me. So guys, starting with number one is the Morgan Chinese Arborvitae. So this is an amazing structure, you guys, an evergreen. I highly recommend this specific Arborvitae, you guys. I haven't seen something very beautiful just like this one. When the plants were delivered to my house, when they arrived, the Arborvitae was in its pure fall color, which I have never seen an evergreen this gorgeously colored, and it quickly changed to this lime green, of course, because of the temperature changes. But when it arrived, it was such a beautiful bronze, you guys. I cannot express how gorgeous it was. I'll of course pop up a picture on how it looks like during the fall. So a few details, you guys, of the Chinese Morgan Arborvitae is that they grow in zones 5 through 9, which is great. I am in a zone 10B, of course, one zone higher than they grow in. But I'll be putting this in a shaded area or maybe growing it in a container. I haven't decided where this will be planted, but of course I will make a video when this will be planted sooner or later, because when spring comes I will be highly busy, you guys. Another detail on it is that the mature height is 2 to 3 feet of height, meaning that once it grows tall, it'll be 2 to 3 feet tall, and it's gonna be a great structure, you guys, and it'll be 1 to 2 feet wide, which I really love the look of Arborvitaes, you guys. It looks like a gum drop shape, which I really love those structures in the garden because it sort of brings this elegance and this sort of like smooth texture to your landscape, and I highly enjoy it. So that's how the Morgan Chinese Arborvitae looks like. Of course, I'll be popping more information on it on the screen for you guys to check out. Of course, I'll be leaving links towards every single plant in the description box below. Also, as well as the social media links towards Planting Tree. Highly recommend them. So let's move on. So guys, coming at number 2 is the Autumn Chiffon Encore Azalea. Never in my 7 years experience of gardening I have came across an azalea, and if you may not noticed in the title, this is the brand Encore Azaleas. They provide multiple different varieties of azaleas, and their quality is great. No, this is a little disclosure, I do not work with Encore Azalea. I do work with Planting Tree, which carries Encore Azalean plants, but I do not work with Encore Azalea. But this is once again the Autumn Chiffon Encore Azalea. Really enjoy it. The blooms are this delicate pink, and I think the Morgan Chinese Arborvitae and the Autumn Chiffon Encore Azalea will be a great combination because they bring that elegance once again to your landscape, and I really enjoy it. The zones, or the hardiness zones, is 6 through 10. Great for my area, you guys, and I can't wait for this to bloom and all that types of stuff. I do not know if these are buds or these is more leafy greens. I'll be posting pictures on what this is on the screen. Comment down below. I would love to know if these are blooms or these are more leafy growth, because I'm a bit confused because I haven't seen the azaleas yet. Another detail on this is when they are at mature size, it's gonna be 2 to 3 feet tall and 2 to 3 feet in width, which is a great structure, you guys. Once again, I do not know where this will be planted. I'll have to figure that out, where it will go. But once again, great structure to your garden, you guys. I highly recommend it. I really love this, and they prefer to be in a full sun area or in a partial sun area. Mine will be located in a partial shade area because, of course, of our extreme heat, you guys. This heat is so bad that sometimes these plants get completely killed with a few heat waves, which is not really great. But I'll be putting this in a shaded area and keep it well watered in order to keep it happy and let it grow to its full potential. So this is the autumn chiffon Encore Azalea once again. So let's move on to the third and final plant they sent. So guys, the third and final plant that the planting tree company sent out for me to trial this year is the BloomStruck Hydrangea from the Endless Summer Hydrangea, you guys. They have the best quality of hydrangeas out there, quote me on that, but a little disclosure is I do not work with them. They have the best quality of hydrangeas in my experience, but I do not work with them, unfortunately. But before we get into detail on the BloomStruck Hydrangea, I want to give a huge shout out to Moya from Garden Addicts, because her goal is to give a chance of life to many plants that were on their way to die. And that's many things that many gardeners don't focus on, is that they want the best looking plants for the gardens. But Moya doesn't care about the structure, the looks, the blooms. She just wants to give them the best chance of life in her garden, and I highly cheer on for that. So if you want to check out her channel, her link will be up here for you guys to check out, and all of her social media links will be down below for you to check out as well. So the hardiness zones for the BloomStruck Hydrangea is zones 4 through 9. Once again, I'm a zone higher, but I'll be giving it as much things that they need in order to put their best performance in our area, and hopefully it does great. The sunlight is once again full to partial. I'll be putting in a partial shaded area because our extreme weather is out of its mind right now, because it's like a lot of heat during the summer and spring, and I want to give them the best chance possible. The mature height is 3 to 4 feet tall and 4 to 5 feet wide. A huge hydrangea, you guys. Hopefully mine gets to that with you guys. The bloom color it's blue, multicolored, and purple. Once again, hydrangeas bloom based on your pH scale. I do not know the pH scale of my garden yet, so I have to figure that out. And once again, they're from the Endless Summer collection. Highly recommend them, you guys. So let's go ahead and wrap up this video for you guys. So guys, I forgot to mention, they sent me their own specific fertilizer, you guys. So when I plant these two plants, I'll be using the slow release fertilizer. You fertilize this only one time, and then 6 months pass, and you have to fertilize it again. So it's a slow release, so it fertilizes the plants slowly until the end of 6 months, which is really great, you guys. I'll be trialing this once again with the plants. Highly recommend it. So guys, that's it for this exciting sprouting video. Once more, a huge shout out to the planting tree company, you guys. They're an amazing company. All their media links and all their social media links are down below. Highly recommend them. Once again, thank you so much to Planting Tree for giving me this opportunity to experience your products, and I highly am excited to see what they have to give for spring. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out, and just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Thank you all for watching this video, and don't forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye, guys.